Hi there, students. A scribe. Also, to scribe as a verb. Well, I think today the job of scribe has all but disappeared. A scribe is somebody who writes for you. In the olden times, it used to be somebody who used to make copies of documents or manuscripts before printing. So the scribe would be given a copy of a book written by hand, and the scribe would write it out again, would copy it out, and this was the job of a scribe, a professional copyist, a person who is duplicating the same thing, is copying, is writing out the what is written. And there have been scribes all through history. I think today it's still just about possible to find scribes in the third world, acting for people who don't know how to read and write. But the scribe has all but disappeared, because nowadays you can take your mobile phone and talk to your mobile phone, and it'll write the words here for you. So that's another thing that's been taken away. But the scribes were essential for keeping legal codes, for keeping religious texts, for keeping educational literature, for keeping books, and the scribes. Let's see, in ancient Mesopotamia, the Sumerians had scribes, so they've had scribes ever since writing has been invented. This scribe reminds me of the idea of a businessman talking to his secretary. Please take a letter. Dear sir, I am most aggrieved to discover, and writing in shorthand, an amanuensis. This is somebody employed to take dictation, amanuensis. But a secretary, effectively a secretary, is a scribe, and the scribe has been a personal secretary to rich businessmen or rich people for millennia. Okay, now they also use this word, a scribe. You can use it to talk about a journalist or a writer. I think this is a rather jokey, it's a bit of a joke, yeah, if you use the word scribe to describe, it's got the same root, a journalist. Also, the scribes in biblical times was a teacher of religious law. Okay, they probably copied the religious law so many times they knew it perfectly. But this scribe is a person employed to make copies of documents before printing was invented. I always wondered if maybe the scribe could change what was written in the law and nobody would notice. It's probably true as well. Okay, so a scribe, somebody who copies out documents. Let's see. Would I use it today? Yes. This is my friend John. He's a scribe. He writes books about adventures. Okay, so scribe. Formality. Woof. I'm gonna give it a 5 in formality. It comes from Latin, scriba, a secretary, and this scribe, it's talking about writing nowadays. Okay, so a scribe.